Hey guys, welcome back to another Vegas Pro 17 tutorial video. This video is actually a continuation of the first how to move pictures using keyframe video. The video was too long, so I had to cut it into two parts, so this is the continuation. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So now I'm going to teach you how to move a logo, right? So let's delete this. And let's drag this. So some people have logo in their logo in their video, which is something I don't fully recommend, but it's okay. I mean, it shows ownership of your video. Yeah, so most people have it maybe at the top left, some at the top right, some bottom left, some bottom right. It's your choice. So I'm gonna show you how you could do it in a way where it's not really static, it's kind of moving. Mind you, it's a picture, okay? We're just making a picture move. So this is our picture, our type of logo. So we could see we'll move it, but oh wait, we have a problem. We see at this point, we could see that the picture, or rather the logo, start to cut off. And then also at this point, it starts to cut off. It doesn't come here, The reason why that is happening is because the resolution of your video and the resolution of your picture aren't the same. So let's just check the resolution. Go to properties, and you can see resolution of your picture is about 860 to 1025, and let's check our resolution of our video. It's about 1920 to 1080, so it doesn't match. So a way to fix that is, number one, there are different ways to fix that. You could go edit the picture. Another way is you could get the exact size of that picture from the internet if you found it on the internet. And the best way, which is the way I'm going to show you to fix it, is by just coming to your preset, clicking this, right? Coming to your preset and just going to 16:9, since 16:9 it's mainly the same thing as 1920 by 1080p. It changes the format and the resolution of your picture, and you can see it's the full screen. So now you could reduce the size. My bad. You could reduce the size, and yeah, it goes all over your video and it doesn't cut out anywhere. So that's a way to fix that type of issue if you come across it. Now you know what to do. So we're just gonna make it fade in to the video, and we're gonna make it go from left to right. So just to remind you, there's a specific amount you can go when you use this method, so you can't exceed this. Once you get to this limit, you can't go further. But I'm not sure you would want to go further. But yeah, so we're gonna do a transition whereby it fades in like this, right? Up, then it goes to the right, then it fades out. So that's what we're gonna do. So now just make sure it's not in frame. Okay, so it's not in frame. Go to your keyframe, make sure you're always on position. Don't make the mistake of going to mask, you're just gonna mess up your work. And if you go to mask, you're gonna know, because you're not gonna have any anchor points, so be aware of that. So position, go to your first keyframe, add a keyframe, right, and skip to the next probably 5 frames. Probably next 10 frames, 10 or 20 frames, and when I've revealed your text a little bit, your picture. I don't know why I said text. Sorry, your picture. You want to review your picture a little bit. Go to the next 20 frames. About 20 frames, I'm just estimating. Now you want to reveal it fully, so you can see it's been shown fully. And now we want to make it a little bit still, so we're gonna just add a keyframe, so between year and year it's not moving, it's kind of still. Then make it still for another few seconds, right? And after this frame we want it to move to the right, so we're just gonna drag this to the right. It's gonna move to the right. Okay, so yeah. Then at the end, just gonna add a keyframe, because in between from 8 seconds to 10 seconds your video might still be going on, so we don't want it to just fade out. So we're just gonna add a keyframe here so it doesn't move. Then from this keyframe to the end we want it to fade out, so I'm gonna just wipe it away. Okay, yeah, just find a place, find a position where you don't see it here. So this works, and that's okay. I made a mistake with one of the frames. Okay, yeah, add a keyframe. Sorry, I was supposed to add a keyframe in the last one, and make it move. Make it move out of the frame, and that's it. So let's watch and let's see what we've done. Let me add a little background music for you guys so it doesn't become boring. Let's add a little background music. Okay. Where did my music go? Okay, yeah. Music is right here. Let's make it low. Always remember your background music, it's not supposed to be very high. Well, in this case it's gonna be a little bit high because I don't have any voiceover in this project. So yeah. So let's preview our video.
Where she belongs, she wants to go home. Nobody's home. That's where she lies, broken inside.
And that's it. That's majorly it. So we could see it faded in. It stayed for a little while, and it shifted to the right. It shifted to the right. So we could see. Between this time, yeah, it stayed for a while, then it shifted to the right, stayed for a while, and it faded in. So that's majorly how you can use keyframes to move pictures, logos, transparent backgrounds, anything that's PNG, JPEG, anything, picture format. This is exactly how you're gonna be doing it. Again, just to go over it, make sure you click on this, or you could right click and go to video event pen crop, and this is where all the magic happens. Control to scroll, control then scroll up to zoom in, control then scroll. At the same time, hold control and scroll down to zoom out. Then this is your anchor points, zooming in, zooming out. So basically it's easy, so just practice. And don't forget, don't go to mask, stay in position because you're dealing with the position. And if you have a situation where your picture size and your video size aren't the same, you could just change your picture size to 16 by 9. If your video is 16 by 9, obviously you change it to that, and that's how you solve the issue. So that's basically it for moving pictures or keyframes. If you guys want to watch the video one more time, sure, so you see how smooth it is.
Where she belongs, she wants to go home. Nobody's home. That's when she lies, broken inside.
And yeah, that's it. So it's as easy as that. I hope this video was helpful, and it was actually someone in the comments who asked for this video. So if you guys have videos that you want me to do, just write it up in the comment and I will read it, and I will find a way to make the video as soon as possible for you guys. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you found this video helpful once again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to people who you know would love content like this. See you in the next video. Peace out.